Activate your full-blown and damp, ready-to-profit digital consultancy without the budget, marketing skills or technical experience. Become a successful coach and damp marketing consultant overnight. Early users earning $500 minus $2,500 for a few hours work through Arbitrage and damp drop services. Plus 52 weeks live coaching on Zoom. Register for the unveiling for a chance to win a free copy of Argency box. Win a free copy. Click here now. Unveiling webinar. February 18th at 10 MET. Introducing. Normal people like you and me are making thousands and damp millions of dollars as digital marketing consultants. Check it out. And now with our completely done-for-you consultancy package. Starting your own six-figure marketing consultancy business just became super simple. Here is what you will be getting. 12 done-for-you agency marketing kits for 12 lucrative agency niches. Plus, Agency Accelerator training. Plus, Dropservicing and damp Argency Arbitrage. Plus, Skype product group mentorship. Plus, SuccessFlyover weekly internet business and damp client attraction trainings for 52 weeks. Most members get results from the second week. Plus, weekly live coaching sessions on Zoom for 52 weeks. Wow! 52 live coaching sessions included in the front end for $37 offer, no-brainer. Most members see results from the second week. Plus, opportunity to join the client challenge. Exclusive invite-only challenge not open to the public. You will usually have to go through an interview to be able to join. Register for the unveiling for a chance to win a free copy of Argency box. Win a free copy. Click here now. 12 done-for-you consultant kits for 12 lucrative agency niches. Consultant kit number 1. Done-for-you video marketing agency kit. Everything you need to set up your own six-figure video marketing consulting business. Video is hot and converts very well. Business owners are aware of this and are seriously looking for consultants that will help them create videos that will drive them traffic, leads and damp sales. Stunning ready-made video agency website. Irresistible proposal. Highly optimized cold call email sequence. Pimp to sell telemarketing scripts for videos. Print-ready commercial graphics templates for video services. Forward 5 Facebook ad creatives. 5 web banners and damp Google ads. 5 legal contract vetted by an attorney. Arbitrage, charge $500 minus $10 K per client. Deliver using any of the software tools you bought in the past or outsourced to a freelancer on Fiverr. We will connect you to awesome freelancers we have personally worked with who deliver top quality for $50 or less. Consultant kit number 2. Done-for-you mobile app agency kit. Everything you need to set up your own six-figure mobile app agency business and slice your own share of the multi-billion-dollar app industry even if you know nothing about apps. There are millions of businesses who are willing to pay thousands of dollars to agencies who will help them with mobile apps. This kit. Consultant kit number 3. Done-for-you bot agency kit. Everything you need to set up your own six-figure messenger bot consulting. There are millions of business owners who are willing to pay thousands of dollars to agencies who will help them set up messenger bots for their businesses. Kit number 4. Done-for-you social media marketing agency kit. Everything you need to set up your own six-figure social media marketing consulting business. Social media is growing so fast that it has become an essential part of any business's marketing plan. But businesses have no clue how to tackle social media and they need help. And they're willing to pay big money for that help. Consultant kit number 5. Done-for-you FB Ads Business Agency Kit. Everything you need to set up your own six-figure FB Ads consulting business. The truth is, There are millions of businesses who are ready to pay you thousands of dollars to help them advertise their products and services on Facebook. Consultant Kit number 6. Done for you web design. Business Agency Kit. Everything you need to set up your own six-figure web design consulting business even if you know nothing about coding. The truth is millions of businesses are going online every month and are willing to pay thousands of dollars to agencies who will help them establish an online presence. Existing website owners are also looking for you to help them improve their website ROI. A lot of low-hanging fruit here. The Consultant Kit number 7. Done for you SEO. Business Agency Kit. Everything you need to set up your own six-figure SEO audit consulting business even if you know nothing about SEO. The truth is SEO audit is one of the lucrative niches, and there are millions of businesses who are willing to pay thousands of dollars to agencies who will help them with SEO audit. Consultant Kit number 8. Done for you design. Business Agency Kit. Everything you need to set up your own six-figure graphics design agency business. Graphics is one thing business need but every business struggles with. There are millions of business who are willing to pay you to help them with their marketing graphics. Consultant Kit number 9. Done for you content marketing. Business Agency Kit. Everything you need to set up your own six-figure content marketing agency business to help businesses sell online. This kit. Consultant Kit number 10. Done for you restaurant. Business Agency Kit. Everything you need to set up your own six-figure restaurant agency business to help local restaurants sell online. Restaurants are among the worst hit during the lockdown and post-lockdown. Most of them will bite off your hand if you offer to help them set up to sell online. Consultant Kit number 11. Done for you copywriting. Business Agency Kit. Everything you need to set up your own six-figure copywriting agency business to help businesses sell online. Consultant Kit number 12. Done for you virtual tour. Business Agency Kit. Everything you need to set up your own six-figure virtual tour agency business to help businesses sell online. Register for the unveiling for a chance to win a free copy of Lucrative iBooks. Win a free copy. Click here now. Unveiling webinar. February 18th at 10 MET. Each agency kit comes with Done for you ready-made agency website. You'll be bagging clients in no time with your professionally designed agency websites. Your website is already filled with all the content you need, specifically designed to turn leads into clients. Done for you proposals, PowerPoint and DAMP, MS Word. Loaded with professionally designed graphics and statistics to convince your prospect why they need your service and why they should choose you to do it for them right now. 2 out of every 5 prospect that sees this presentation writes us a check. Done for you print-ready graphics templates. We have created a set of fully editable graphic templates for you to get your name out there as a professional. Gorgeous and high-quality designs our graphic designers have created for you. In a few clicks, you can edit these to your own heart's desire, so you'll never need to hire an expensive designer again. Done for you highly optimized cold call email sequence. We are giving you a pro-written ready-to-mail email sequence for each agency. Simply copy and paste this created to convert email sequence into your favorite autoresponder to deliver to any on-the-fence leads or cold leads you've collected. Done for you pimp to sell telemarketing scripts. We are also giving you designed to hypnotize, complete telemarketing scripts, specifically designed for 3 different sales scenarios both in person and over the phone. Use these step-by-step scripts in either scenario to ensure your prospects only say yes to your services and pay you more for your professional services. These will effectively warm up your prospects for your services for a final discussion about pricing and method of delivery and convince them to hand over their money. Done for you Facebook ads creative. You don't like talking to people, knock on doors or making phone calls, no problem. Let your clients come to you. You can run Facebook ads targeted at other businesses and get clients that will pay you for these services. We will give you ready-to-deploy Facebook ads creatives. All you have to do is copy and paste. Done for you legal contract. Personally, I find it necessary to have something written about the terms and requirements of each project that I accept. With a written document, the client and you both have something that can be referred back to if there is a question about the work or payment. You will get 5 contract templates you can customize and use. Plus, special access to our drop service assets. Outsource these services to anyone from the list of the service providers that you'll get from us and make profits without doing the service yourself. Let's say you land a client paying $1.500 for a service, and you get someone to deliver the service for $100. That's $1,400. Hands-free. No hard work. No tech skills. Pure profits. Welcome to the real world of online marketing and damp selling. Plus, exclusive rights to use our testimonials and case studies. Now, the #1 reason why most service providers fail to make their business take off is the absence of credible testimonials to back the quality of their services. With Local Agency Box, we have decided to go an extra mile and help you get started on the right note. You'll get unrestricted access to our testimonials and case studies to floor your prospects and close the deals. With resources to offer top-end services, supported by professionally created marketing materials, and now premium testimonials that provide credibility to your business, you can charge top dollar for your services. Give me the opportunity to impact you too through my Argency box reloaded. Win a free copy. Step 1. Register for the unveiling. Your name. Your email. Sign up. Step 2. Drop a review in the comment below and stand a chance to win free access to Argency box.